In just a few minutes, you could create the cutest little crochet heart. Whether you want to add a special touch to gift, make keychains, or decorate your projects, this mini heart tutorial is fast, fun, and beginner friendly. Grab your yarn and hook. Let's crochet some love. This is the materials we need. I'm using 1.9mm hook, scissor, size number 1 yarn. To begin in this project, I'm gonna make a magic circle like this. I grab that yarn and pull it out like that. I want to make the circle smaller. Too much, enough to hold the hook. Like that, we're creating a really cute circle. Hold the yarn how you want it, how comfortable you are. Make a chain of 3, yarn over and pull through. 1, 2, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull 3. We have chain 3 in total. Make 3 double crochet in the circle, yarn over. If you're a beginner in double crochet, it goes like this: yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, grab that yarn and pull up, grab that yarn and pull through 2, grab that yarn and pull through 2. I'm gonna repeat that 2 more times. Yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, grab that yarn, pull up, grab that yarn, pull through 2, grab that yarn, pull through 2. One more time. Yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, yarn over and pull up a little bit, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. We have 4 double crochet in total right now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 3 is our first double crochet, second, third, and fourth. Now make 2 half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, yarn over and pull, yarn over, watch out here, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops in your hook. Gonna repeat that 2 more times. Yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, yarn over and pull, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops in your hook. Last one, yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, yarn over and pull up, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops in your hook. We just made 3 half double crochet. Chain 1 double crochet in the circle after chaining 1, yarn over, grab that yarn and pull up, 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Chain 1, 2 half double crochet in the circle, 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through all. One more time, yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, yarn over and pull up, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops in your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, yarn over and pull up, yarn over and pull through all. Yarn over, make 3 double crochet in the circle, insert. This is gonna be my first double crochet in the side. 1, 2, 3, always in the circle, 3 double crochet, and make a chain of 3 to finish this one. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook in the circle, yarn over and pull through to make a slip stitch. Chain 1, pull tight, and here you can see there is an opening. You're gonna close that. 1, 2, 3, and there you have it. I'm gonna pull this up a little bit so I can make a knot properly. And that's it. It was super easy and cute. So you can leave this one here, make a knot on the top, or you can make a knot here. Tie the rest of the yarn here. Gonna be in the back side. Yarn over and slip stitch. It's up to you how you connect or how you secure the remaining stitch, as long as they are nicely
Great job on your crochet
secured.
mini hat. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Check out my other tutorials above and start your next creation today. Drop a comment if you have any questions and share your work. I'd love to see it. See you in the next video. Bye!